Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Find My Kids app review to see with what you're using. So to get started with the quick in-depth app review about this mobile platform, which is Find My Kids. So to get started, Find My Kids is a parental tracking app designed to help monitor children's real-time location using GPS, smartphones and smartwatches. It offers useful features like location history, safe zone alert, SOS signals and sound around option to hear the child's surrounding. The app is easy to set up, works with both iOS and Android, and supports GPS-enabled keys watches, which make it a practical solution for parents with younger kids. However, it has some drawback. User reports occasional glitches with the GPS accuracy, delay in update, and concern over the listing in features, which raises privacy issues. Customer support can also be slow, and some features work better on Android than iOS. And here's the overall conclusion about me. So the app worth it for parents who need reliable location tracking and are comfortable with the trade-off, but not ideal if privacy or real-time precision is a top priority. And that's it.